Hello, this is Bluemix directly from Silicon Valley. So we are going to continue our journey with connecting to the Cloudant on Bluemix. So first of all, we have created a storyboard, and then we connected our application to MobileFirst platform server through MobileFirst SDK for Xamarin. So next step is also done. We have connected from MobileFirst to our RSS feed from a CNN, and yet another step we are going to do today is we are going to connect to Cloudant database on Bluemix. So let's start with the storyboard. So we have our storyboard. Let's add a new button. This button we'll use for adding documents to for getting the documents directly from our database. So as soon as our application is running, we can press the read button, and we get the information from CNN, from HTTP sample code, and then we can press the read button from a Cloudant, and the record is being recorded over here. So we can see the output and the direct information on the display of the application. So our button is working, and the next thing we are going to do is to add some activities over here. So let's first let's connect to to our client, and work light response. Task 3. That means now we need to create an adapter that is going to read from Cloudant. And how to do that, we'll show you in a sec. So we are in our directory, then I will go to Worklight and to our application. And over here I will create a new adapter. So MobileFirst platform, add adapter, Cloudant adapter, -- type HTTP. So we have added a new adapter. We can go now to the directory adapters, and we can check if we have Cloudant adapter. So we have some sample HTTP adapter from the exercise, and then we have Cloudant adapter. So now with the Cloudant adapter, we need to edit this adapter. So inside we have two files. And now we are going to check both of the files. So, but before we do it, we will require to see our Cloudant database. So Cloudant database is based on the Bluemix. This is a typical overview of the dashboard. And if you go to Cloudant database, it's over here. So everybody can check it out free of charge for 30 days, and then if you stay as a developer with the small amount of calls and data, it's free of charge. So I open already over here, and this is our database. I have created two directories, two records. So my API call is over here. You can just copy it over, and we are going to use it in this application. So let's go to the XML that defines the connection, and over here we have various fields. So Cloudant adapter is one of the fields, and then we can see the protocol. Protocol is going to be HTTPS. We are going to use different port, 443, and then instead of domain name this, we are going to use recorded domain name. So we are going to remove everything except for the direct access to our database. Okay, and let's go. So we are not going to use this. We are going to use just one get record. So let's remove it, record, and this one we don't need. So let me just remove it here. So we have defined one procedure we are going to call, and just to summarize, we have just this definition of the port. So it's very simple stuff. So we added this one to the original. We added HTTPS, and we added the port. So nothing else is not changed. And so now we can move forward. So I'm going to write it and quit the instructions. Now let's go to the other part of the adapter, which is this one. And so it's a get record, and this is going and this is going to be the part we are going to change. So we are going to have record ID added to CRUD app DB, and input is going to be get JSON. We are adding the path as far as, and we are going to return success or failure based on this two fields. We can now write it down. So after creating adapters, we are ready to build them. So MobileFirst platform, build, and deploy. Now we can check our MobileFirst platform console to see if everything is deployed correctly. And we have two adapters. So we have Cloudant adapter, which is our get record and get record post record. So we will have we have everything set up to build the application like previously. So we are going to work with our procedure. So work procedure invocation data. Invocation data. New work-light procedure invocation data, and now we are going to use our adapter name. So Cloudant adapter, and we are going to use get record, and we are going to pass the object, new object, and that's going to be, let me just check it out. Unique ID.
No, I think there's
Unique ID. So MobileFirst SDK for Xamarin. We have added the data, and now we can run it. And if we click read from Cloudant, we should get the information. So MobileFirst platform SDK for Xamarin. So we got the information through MobileFirst server, and from Cloudant, that is NoSQL database on the Bluemix. And that concludes our coding for today.